When I was wearing glasses, part of the problem that I had was losing them all the time. And I think you're going to find that with most people that do wear reading glasses. You know, you've got to have 10 pair, one in each drawer around the house, and always take them with you. And you forget them, you get frustrated because you can't read anything. So that was the biggest reward for me, was not having to take reading glasses with me. Hi, I'm Tim from St. Charles, and I had Refractive Lens Exchange in St. Louis at Brinton Vision. Well, primarily the two problems I had was close-up reading, and distance vision was starting to dissipate as well. So mostly close-up vision. I had reading glasses, and then I had glasses for distance as well. And I do a lot of motorcycle riding, so I wanted to improve my distance vision as well as the reading. I do a lot of computer work as well. I chose Dr. Brinton because of the research that I did, and I felt like that he was the best qualified for the job that I wanted to have done. And if I'm going to have something done to my eyes, they're very important to me, I wanted to have the best surgeon I could get. Absolutely no pressure here at Brinton Vision when it comes to making decisions. They put the ball in your court, and you take as much time as you want to figure out what you actually want to do. And talk to my wife about it, and decided to make the challenge happen, and it was definitely worth all the time, and I'm glad I did it. Surgery day was easy. The actual surgery itself was timeless, and I mean, it was very easy and very rewarding. As soon as I was done, I could tell that I could put the glasses in the trash can. So. Experience at Brinton Vision has been totally rewarding. Easy. From a staff standpoint and a doctor's standpoint, the preliminary examinations and the information that they gave me made it easy to make a challenging decision easy. And everything worked out as planned and exactly as they had told me. And again, the follow-up was extremely nice, and it made it very easy as well. And the staff here is just totally professional. Actually, it was my wife. My wife was with me during the procedure. She's an RN as well, and she got to experience the procedure firsthand. And when I saw her, it was a lot easier. She was close up, and it was a lot easier to see her in a total close-up vision. My vision has improved my way of life from a standpoint of security. From a self-security standpoint, I feel more comfortable, especially with riding a motorcycle, which I do avidly. I can see distance a lot better, and that helps immensely when you're riding a motorcycle. From a standpoint of driving, it really helped from a distance vision. And as far as reading, I feel a lot more comfortable with being able to read in situations, especially when I didn't have my glasses. If you're having thoughts about having this procedure, let me make it easy for you. I would set an appointment and come in and talk to the staff at Brinton Vision. They explain everything 100%. Whenever I had any issues with anything, they took care of me right away, got me in for appointments if I needed to get in, and everything was taken care of in a timely manner, and everything was great. It was just easy experience. Thanks to you, Dr. Brinton, for making it happen again. My eye is like I was 15 years old, and actually from the test that I did, it's actually better than probably when I was 30 or 40. So my vision is extremely good in my eye, and I'm very happy and very thankful to you for making it happen. You do a great justice for people that are looking for eye and vision improvement.